Hey beautiful people, how are you? Hope you're fine. So today I'm making a tasty beef kidney stew or sauce. It's very nice, very tasty, flavorful, thick. I'm sure you love it. First things first, we are going to remove the fat from the beef kidneys. So I'm trying to cut it so that I remove the fat. It's easy for me to remove it after chopping it. So that is how the fat looks like. Make sure you remove it before cooking it. That is how it looks like. By the way, I'm cooking 2 kidneys for this specific recipe. Yeah, just chop it the way I'm doing it, and then you remove it. I'm going to first boil it for 1 hour because I want it to cook through. I've just added in some ginger, garlic, and salt. Then add some water and then just let it boil for 1 full hour. So for my sauce, I'm going to use as many vegetables as possible. As I shared in the clip earlier on, I'm going to use potatoes, carrots, green pepper, onions, tomatoes, fresh coriander leaves, and I want the sauce to be as thick as possible, colorful, and tasty. Place your pan on a source of heat, add some vegetable cooking oil, then add your finely chopped onions, and then fry them until they start to lose color. Add your potatoes, carrots, and green peppers to the pan, and we're going to fry them for a minute or two together with the onions. Yeah, as you can see, my pan is already looking colorful before we even add in the rest of the things. Add the beef kidneys to the pan at this point, and then we are going to stir fry them together with the vegetables that are already in the pan. They're already cooked by this time, but what we are trying to do, we are trying to fry them so that we enhance the flavor. Season with black pepper and salt, and then just continue to stir fry shortly. Have you ever thought about having the beef kidneys roasted or baked? I think about it every day, and I think I'm going to give it a try, and I'll surely let you know. So I'm adding some tomato paste to the pan. I added about 30 grams of the tomato paste, and then I'm just going to mix it very well with our beef kidneys, with our veggies, and then just let them fry before we add in the rest of the things. So if you're feeling like you want to have something meaty, but you don't want to have meat or beef or any other red meat, but you want something simple, classy, this is the go-to. Very tasty, rich in iron, and this recipe, save it. Save it and share it because the results are perfect. So I'm just going to add in my tomatoes. I added in 2 medium-sized tomatoes and just continue to stir fry. Take your time. It will be perfect. Sometimes you just need to give your foods time and patience. You don't need to just rush into the recipe because food needs a lot of love, and when you give it love, the results are perfect. So that's beef curry powder, and I added in 1 beef bouillon cube, and then just let it cook. And remember, we added in our salt during the boiling process and during the frying process. So now I've added in some soy sauce, and you people, it's perfect. As long as you give your food the perfect spices, perfect seasoning, and patience and love, it will come out very nice. So I'm adding in some water. I'm not using stock today because it's already rich. The sauce is already rich. Just add in some water, and then I'm going to let it simmer on low heat for only 7 minutes, because I just need the vegetables to cook and I need everything to incorporate together so that it comes out very nice, tasty and delicious. Just let it simmer and it is going to come out very nice. If you haven't yet subscribed to My Kitchen by Nana, subscribe, click the like button and notification bell to notify you whenever I upload videos. That is fresh coriander leaves. And this is my sauce. Very nice, looks very good, colorful, perfect for lunch, dinner, or when you host your friends at home. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.